On this week's edition of Oh My God, I thought this dude's channel was dead, we have an old Jacksonville Jackson ceiling fan. I got this from Tommy at the Fanimation group trip in 2021 for 40 bucks. Yeah, I haven't done this in a while, mainly because I've been losing interest in fans, and yeah, there's been nothing really going on with the fan collections. So, I'm rambling, not sure what to say. I'm rusty at this. This fan, I have no idea when it's from. I'm guessing it's probably from 1981 or 1982. It's definitely an earlier one because the mounting bracket uses the style of Casablanca bell canopies mounting brackets, and the pull chain, same style too. The serial number is A101181. As someone that knows nothing about decoding serial numbers on fans like these, I'm going to take a guess this fan's from October 11th, 1981. Actually, I don't know. Anyways, I got the kilowatt on it. Set the volts, also set to amps, and turn it on low. I've been doing a lot of rambling, but this is as slow as it can go. I adjusted the low speed trim because the low speed trim when I got it was very fast, and it's almost kind of like a medium. So I put it to this restaurant low because it's cool and I kind of like it. I'm probably going to put a floral glow on it. I think that would make it look good. Oh yeah, it's got a solid state cardboard box. I think the motor in it's Emerson. I can't remember. I remember trying to look through one of the vent screens. Yeah, there's the tag right there. I'll look after spin down. 0.19, 3.6 watts, and a power factor of 0.15. Wait, hold on. Not sure if, it's probably supposed to say meter at the top. I don't know why I was freaking out about that. I haven't used that thing. I got that thing like 3 years ago, and I never used it in a video. I just had it because I was planning to make a test rig like Metal Pete's and Dan's, and I never did. Yeah, it's 0.26. I'm probably going to speed run the knob because it's already almost 3 minutes in, and I feel like I'm rambling a lot. And, yeah, you guys don't want to see that. I just feel like this is better than the silent videos, than you guys just like hearing my breathing. 0.33. I'll turn it up to 6 o'clock. That's what I like to say is like medium. Well, it is. Because high is 12 o'clock on the knob. Half an amp. 21.7 watts. 0.35 power factor. Up a little bit more. It's like 5 o'clock, between 4 and 5 o'clock on the knob. And yes, my posters did fall down. But I did get that lamp from IKEA. Well, eBay, but it's an IKEA branded lamp. 3 o'clock, you could see it wobbles, and it's blowing the 1930s, so that's cool. And here's high. Well, Jacksonville tag. Top shot. Alright. 1.14. 113 watts. 0.82 power factor. Spin down. reverse it, roll the knob off. Since found bag on the floor. Okay. I'm gonna take this video to say, me and my family, we are moving into a bigger house soon with more than just the fan display. The chances of me making a video are 50-50 because I don't really know. Because since I've been losing interest in this hobby, like, I haven't really been messing with it. I'm gonna put fans around the house, but I'm not sure how likely you guys are gonna see them. But anyways, and it stalled. Alright. I'm just gonna turn it up until it starts and bring it back down. It's probably not the best for it, but I don't really know what else to do. I mean, I could just turn it up. 0.18? I don't remember what was the when forward. 3.5 watts. 0.15 power factor. Same as it was in forward. Up a little bit more. This is more of like a, I'd say more of a functional low. Still not like the most functional low, but it pushes the air a little bit. This is probably like a good functional low speed. I'm noodling with the knob because I suck at like gauging like what to turn it to. Because it's different for a lot of fans. I'm not gonna mess with the kilowatt. It's probably gonna be the same. I'm sorry, but like, this video is almost 8 minutes long. I bet all of you are getting bored. So, because I'm not as good as this as I used to be, clearly. Because the last time I uploaded a video was that Zephyr. And that was in October, I think. Yeah. That fan I am selling to another collector, so I don't know. I haven't bought a single fan all of 2023. It's probably going to stay that way, especially at Fanimation. I'm probably not going to buy anything. I'm selling a lot, but yeah, the wobble is worse in reverse. Oh, there's a wire peeking out of the canopy. That's the light wire. I'll unscrew the canopy and push that back in. And here's all the way. One thing I'll do, stopping the, okay, yeah, that is the blue wire. I thought it was the black one for a second. This is, that is an Emerson tag. So yeah, it has a K55, an Emerson K55 in it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. I mean, thanks for watching. See ya.